Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I review the latest and coolest gadgets for your laptop. Today I have a very special product to show you, the YICOSUN P1 laptop stand and docking hub. This is a multifunctional device that combines a laptop stand, a tablet stand, and a docking hub in one sleek and portable design. Let me tell you why you need this in your life. First of all, the YICOSUN P1 is a laptop stand that can elevate your laptop to a comfortable viewing angle and improve your posture. It has a sturdy aluminum body that can support laptops up to 17 inches and 5 kilograms. It also has a silicone pad that prevents your laptop from sliding or scratching. The stand can be adjusted to 3 different heights, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 35 degrees depending on your preference. You can also fold it flat when not in use or when you want to carry it around. Secondly, the YICOSUN P1 is a tablet stand that can hold your tablet or smartphone in a horizontal or vertical position. It has a slot that can fit devices up to 12.9 inches and 1.5 centimeters thick. It also has a magnetic cover that protects your device from dust and scratches. The stand can be rotated 360 degrees and tilted 180 degrees, so you can adjust it to any angle you want. You can use it to watch videos, read books, or make video calls with ease. The YICOSUN P1 is a versatile and innovative product that can enhance your laptop or tablet experience. It is currently on Kickstarter, where you can back it and get it at a discounted price. The campaign will end on November 30, 2023, so don't miss this opportunity to get your hands on this amazing gadget. I will leave the link to the Kickstarter page in the description below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. See you next time.